Baby goats started to practice their teeth. Let's have a quick look. Connor! Hi, Connor! So, Connor loves to practice his teeth on this wood. Connor! Lamina, Connor! He's really enjoying the taste of this wood. Now I think he wanted to try the green grass as well. Connor is 1 week and 3 days old. And then Huggy and Fimo, they are 2 weeks old. Whoa, he's really trying the green grass. What about your baby goats? How old are they when they started to practice eating? Fimo! Fimo! Fimo is here. Huggy! Huggy! Huggy is trying the green grass and at the same time having a wee taste of that small wood. Huggy was a weak baby back then, but because he loves the sun exposure, his body now is getting better.